for the results for research question 2, it was addressed using a hierarchical linear regression to uncover the potential mechanisms affecting changes in situated identification. So research question 2 is basically going to focus on the situated identification portion of this given study. And 2 blocks of variables were entered according to theoretical relevance. So because the research question asked specifically about prior organizational experience, this variable and the related independent variables were entered last to evaluate their contribution above and beyond the less theoretically relevant control orientation quality variables. So from this, they were able to get an identification change score that was calculated. That was then served as a dependent variable. So they went ahead and did this because it was theoretically relevant to view identification changes during orientation. So since interaction terms were included in these analyses, all variables were converted to z-scores prior to regression analysis. Basically, that was done to facilitate data interpretation. There were 2 blocks of data inputted in order to address research question 2, and in block 1, so of the regression, the 2 orientation quality variables were entered into the model as control variables. So those 2 control variables are quality benefit info and quality history info. And from block 1, researchers were able to find that, as expected, there were significant individual predictors for quality of benefit information, for quality of history and values information, and so the significant individual predictors had a p-value of 0.05 for quality of benefit information. The p-value was less than 0.01. So the final block added to the previous 2 stated, added prior organizational experience, so basically the interaction between prior organizational experience and pre-orientation identification. And this predicted that, these results showed that while prior organization identification was a significant predictor in the change in identification, the p-value of 0.001, the interaction was also significant. Was also a significant individual predictor.